am very happy to be the star of the week because of my handwriting. By the way, try to write neatly and carefully. Practice writing every day. Thank you to my teacher and friends. Thank you for good handwriting. I have a good handwriting, but I will keep my pen or my pencil properly and I write beautiful handwriting by stable pen or pencil. Thank you. I am the star of the week because I have a good discipline. I follow rules and instructions in my class and school. I wear my uniform properly. I listen to my teachers and obey their orders. So students have to be disciplined like me. Thank you.
I have a good handwriting, but I sharpen my pencils and when my teachers give homework and classwork, then properly.
I am star of the week because I am disciplined. I respect my teacher and others. I follow the instructions and the school rule. I do my homework and classwork on time. I play with my friends fairly and carefully. So I suggest you to be disciplined and follow instructions. I got star of the week for my nice and clean handwriting. I love writing carefully in all my subjects. Thank you for listening. My name is Jopasat. I am from Manja. I'm proud of to the best handwriting winner. I always try to make my writing neat and readable. Writing neat have me learning better. I am so happy to get this reward. I will continue to do my best. I come from today. I am star of the week because I am a disciplined student. I am humble and obey school and classroom rules. I came to school on time and always do classwork and homework properly. So students, discipline just like me. Style listen when they teach and listen to so students be disciplined just like me. Thank you.
Before I eat, I wash my hands. I respect my teachers and admin.
Star of the week because I am disciplined and humble. I will follow the instruction and school rules. I do my homework and classwork on time. So students be disciplined and humble.
I am great student. I am a star of the week because I am disciplined and humble. I will follow the instruction and school rules. I do my duties properly. Example, classwork, homework, and so on. I respect my friends, teacher, or the school community. So students be disciplined and humble. I am star of the week because I am disciplined and humble. I will follow the instruction and school rules. I do my classwork and homework on time and properly. I respect my friends. I play together carefully and fairly. So students be disciplined and humble.